What's going on, guys? I have the Oupes Mega 2 Pro. I'm going to connect it to the trailer and see if I can run that AC and how long I can run it for. So there's been some other YouTubers, content creators that have ran that Oupes Mega 2 Pro, and they've gotten the E00, that's the high voltage over voltage error code, and I'm gonna see if I can remedy that by just running it regular without the soft start. All right, let's first try to run the Oupes on this is the Mega 2 Pro. As you can see, it's badged on the back, Mega 2 Pro. Let's go out to the trailer and turn on the AC system and see if we get the E00 error code. So let's go along and find out. All right, let's give it a shot. Okay, so we're running 230 watts. 230 watts. We're at 90 degrees. All right, it looks like we're at 1174. I mean, that's not too bad. Do I really need a soft start? It started up. It's running without the soft start. And now we're at 1200. All right, so just under 1400 watts when you use the water. Oh, 1400. And it's still running. Back down to 188 watts because I don't want it cooler than 80 degrees in here. 80 degrees is okay. The refrigerator's on. That's about it. It could run. So, perfect boondocking. Perfect. And there we go. All right. Thanks for watching.